Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious churros at home. First, gather your simple ingredients: flour, water, butter, and a little sugar. Next, combine water, butter, and a pinch of salt in a saucepan and bring it to a gentle boil. Once simmering, quickly add all the flour at once and stir vigorously until a smooth, thick dough ball forms. This is the crucial first step to perfect churros. Now that your dough is ready, transfer it into a piping bag fitted with a large star tip. This tip gives churros their classic ridges. Carefully pipe 4-inch to 6-inch strips of dough directly into hot oil, heated to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry them for 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and a satisfying crispness. Be sure not to overcrowd the pan. Once your churros are perfectly fried, it's time for the delicious coating. In a shallow dish, combine granulated sugar with a generous amount of ground cinnamon. While the churros are still warm, roll them thoroughly in this sweet mixture, ensuring every inch is covered. Serve these delightful treats immediately with your favorite chocolate dipping sauce or even a caramel dip. They are best enjoyed fresh. For the best results, always use a deep fry thermometer to maintain a consistent oil temperature, around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This prevents soggy or burnt churros. Also, piping the dough directly into the hot oil helps them hold their shape perfectly. Remember, practice makes perfect. And while you're enjoying your homemade churros, don't forget to stay hydrated. Check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.